This is the kind of pasta recipe my family absolutely love. It's creamy, rich, delicious, and from my point of view, it's an absolute winner to me because it's super quick and simple. First thing to do is get your pasta on the boil. And then for the chicken, I'm using this generic chicken seasoning. The supermarkets have it, the branded spices, they do it as well. It's just kind of a nice mix of herbs and spices and salt, and it works really well on chicken. So pop that on your chicken and then heat some oil in a frying pan on a medium to high heat, and we're going to pan fry that chicken until it is cooked all the way through, and then set it aside, wrap it up in tin foil to keep it warm and to let it rest. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. In the same pan, pop it back on the heat, add in your chopped up red onion along with your smoked bacon and try and remove as much of the fat as you can. And then you're going to fry that until the onions soften and the bacon starts to crisp up. I mean, I love the smell of onions and bacon. It's so delicious. Then to that, we're going to add in some garlic and fry that for a further 30 seconds before adding in some booze. Now, I'm using marsala. You could use rum, you could use wine. You just want a little bit of alcohol to go in. One, it's going to help deglaze the pan and get rid of all the crispy bits on the bottom. And two, it's going to add a depth of flavour. Then add in some chicken stock. And then for the creaminess, but to keep the calories down low, we're going to use milk. Now, you may not have used milk in a sauce before, but it worked really well. And then we're going to add in some mixed herbs, low-fat cream cheese, and some lighter cheddar cheese. You just go to reduce the heat down to medium, keep stirring that for about 5 minutes or so until it thickens up and starts looking delicious like this. Add that into your pasta, mix it all through, and then we're going to plate the pasta up and pop a piece of chicken on top. Super easy, absolute winner as a midweek recipe. And as always, thank you for watching this video. If you'd like the full recipe, make sure to download my high protein recipes app. There's a link in the description below. See ya!